And this is Yogita, and in this video we are going to cover paper 1 10th unit people development and environment along with the PYQs. So the topic today which we are going to cover is Millennium Development Goals. So in the year 2000 the Millennium Development Goals were established, and the main aim of this goal was to reduce extreme poverty, hunger, diseases, literacy, environmental degradation, discrimination against the women through the United Nations. And in order to achieve those goals, the world leaders came at headquarters New York. Now this was a time-bound program, and the deadline to achieve those goals was in 2015. So let's see one by one the Millennium Development Goals. So the first goal, Millennium Development Goal, is eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Second is to achieve the universal primary education. Third is to promote gender equality and empowerment of the women. Fourth is to reduce child mortality, that is to reduce the death rate below the age group of 5 years. Fifth is to improve maternal health. Sixth is to combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Seventh is to ensure environmental sustainability. Eighth is to mention the global partnership and development. Now 191 United Nations member states and along with 22 international organizations committed to help this Millennium Development Goal by 2015. But since this goal were uneven, and because of certain circumstances in 2015 they didn't achieve those goals, and in the year 2016 the Millennium Development Goals been replaced by the Sustainable Development Goal. Now our NTA, UGC NET examination and SET examination demands that we should remember all those 8 Millennium Development Goals in proper sequence. So in order to remember those points, I have created an acronym for this that says P square G, that is PG, CM, HE, G. So P stands for the poverty and hunger, next P stands for the primary education, G stands for the gender equality and empowerment of the woman, C stands for the child mortality rate, M stands for the maternal health, H stands for the HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases, E stands for the environmental sustainability, and G stands for the global partnership for the development. Do remember this acronym for the proper sequence of the 8th Millennium Development Goals. In most probably next video we are going to see the PYQs based on same topic. Thank you so much. Stay connected.